In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. UNICEF has made reaction to the targeting of Afghan migrants by Pakistani militias. Sadiqullah Khalid, the first deputy governor of the central bank, meets with the deputy head of UNAMA and the director of the United Nations Development Program. And the telephone conversation between foreign ministers of Iran and Japan. Welcome to today's news package. It's Tuesday, the 21st of Ramadan Mubarak 1447, the 19th of Hud 1404, and the 10th of March 2026. The news details. Mr. Tajuddin, a representative of the UNICEF office, in a meeting with Mullah Abdul Mansour, the Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development, condemned the aggressive actions of Pakistan's military regime in targeting Afghan migrants. He also referred to the activities of the organization in Afghanistan and stated that UNICEF is striving to implement more projects in the field of water supply. Meanwhile, Mullah Abdul Mansour emphasized the importance of the timely and high-quality implementation of the development projects. Mullah Mansour also called on the leadership of UNICEF to assist migrants who have returned from campus and those who have been displaced, particularly in the areas of water supply and other essential services. At the meeting conclusion, both sides stressed the need for further coordination and cooperation. Dari Sadiqullah Khalid, the first deputy governor of the central bank, met with Andrika Ratwat, the deputy head of UNAMA, and Stefan Rodriguez, the director of the United Nations Development Program UNDP. Based on a statement issued by central bank, the meeting discussed the implementation of a joint working framework aimed at strengthening capacity in the banking and financial sector. Based on the aforesaid framework, technical assistance and the activities of both international and domestic institutions will be coordinated and consolidated to support capacity building efforts. The news continuation. The regular meeting of the Book Evaluation Commission was held under the chairmanship of Maulavi Hayatullah Muhajir Farahi, the Deputy Minister for Publication at the Ministry of Information and Culture. At the beginning of the meeting, the Commission Secretary presented the report of the previous session, and the Commission's activities were positively assessed. During the meeting, necessary decisions were taken regarding 35 titles comprising 620 volumes of books, both important and locally produced. Books written in accordance with Islamic and national values were granted permission for publication. It is noteworthy that at the end of the meeting, 10 books titles were referred to the Commission members for further review, and the reports will be presented in the following session. And ultimately, Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Iran, held a telephone conversation with his Japanese counterpart, Toshimitsu Motegi, regarding the regional incident following the military attack by the United States and Zionist regime against Iran and its regional global consequences. In accordance with Iran's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Sayyid Abbas Araghchi stated during the call, maintaining good relations with neighboring countries is very important for Iran, but we cannot allow the United States to launch attacks against us from its bases in the region. He added that Iran's defensive measures are not directed at neighboring countries, but rather target their source of origin of aggression. He further emphasized that Iran will firmly stand against the military aggression of the United States and the Zionist regime and will defend itself with full determination and strength. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.